Chapter 10 name of the chapter substations. Subject GTD. Semester 4th. Branch electrical. Faculty R. Naik. Introduction. The assembly of apparatus used to change some characteristics, that is voltage AC to DC, frequency, power factor, etc. of electric supply is called a substations. The continuity of supply depends to a considerable extent upon the successful operation of substations. It is therefore essential to exercise utmost care while designing and building a substations. The following are the important points which must be kept in view while laying out a substations. It should be located at a proper site. As far as possible, it should be located at the center of gravity of the load. It should be provided safe and reliable arrangement. For safety consideration must be given to the maintenance of regulation clearances, facilities for carrying out repairs and maintenance. Abnormal occurrences such as possibility of explosion or fire, etc. for reliability consideration must be given for good design and constructions. The provision of suitable protective gears, etc. It should be easily operated and maintained. It should involve minimum capital cost. Classification of substations. There are several ways of classifying substations. However, two most important ways of classifying them are according to service requirement, second constructional features. According to service requirement, a substation may be called upon to change voltage level or improve power factor or convert AC power into DC power, etc. according to the service requirements. Substations may be classified into first one, transformer substations. Those substations which change the voltage level of electric supply are called transformer substations. These substations receive power at same voltage and deliver it at some other voltage. Obviously, the transformer will be the main component in such substations. Most of the substations in the power systems are of this type. Second one, switching substations. These substations do not change the voltage level that is incoming on outgoing lines, have the same voltage. However, they simply perform the switching operations of power lines. Third one is power factor correction substations. Those substations which improve the power factor of the system are called power factor correction substations. Such substations are generally located at receiving end of transmission line. These substations generally use synchronous condensers as the power factor improvement equipment. Fourth one is frequency changer substations. Those substations will change the supply frequency are known as frequency changer substations. Such a frequency change may be required for industrial utilization. Fifth one is converting substations. Those substations which change AC power into DC power are called converting substations. These substations receive AC power and convert it to DC power with suitable apparatus to supply for such purposes as traction, electroplating, electric welding, etc. Sixth one, industrial substations. Those substations which supply power to individual industrial concern are known as industrial substations. Second category according to constructional features. A substation has many components, that is circuit breaker, switches, fuses, instruments, etc., which must be housed properly to ensure continuous and reliable service. According to constructional features, the substations are classified as indoor substation, outdoor substation, underground substations, and pole mounted substations. First one is indoor substations. For voltages up to 11 kV, the equipment of substation is installed indoor because of economic consideration. However, when the atmosphere is contaminated with impurities, these substations can be erected for voltages up to 66 kV. Outdoor substations. For voltages beyond 66 kV, equipment is invariably installed outdoor. It is because for such voltages, the clearance between the conductors and the space required for switches, circuit breakers, and other equipments becomes so great that it is not economical to install the equipment indoor. Third one is underground substations. In thickly populated areas, the space available for equipments and building is limited and the cost of land is high. Under such situation, the substations is created underground. Next, pole mounted substations. This is on outdoor substations with equipment installed overhead on each pole and 4-pole structure. It is the cheapest form of substations for voltages not exceeding 11 kV or 33 kV in some cases. The electric power is almost distributed in localities through such substations. For complete discussion on pole mounted substations,